What is function? Function is a collection of statements to perform a task. Function have four types, which is no receive with return, receive with return, receive with no return, and no receive with no return. So function analogy that we can use, for example, is statement like my name is Husna. Statement we know as a function prototype, and then name is a function call, and a person is a function definition. So their head is a function header and their body is a function body. As you can see, this is an example of function. Double calculate salary in bracket double work hour is a function prototype, while a total salary equal to calculate salary in bracket double work hour is a function call. And double calculate salary in bracket double work hour, double total salary equal to work hour times 12.5 written total salary, known as a function definition. But as you know is double calculate salary in bracket double work hour is a function header, and the rest of it is a function body. To tell the difference between four types of function is, you can see from the function prototype. Double calculate salary in bracket double work hour. So the double we know as a written type, and calculate salary is a function name. And anything in bracket we call it as a parameter. Also to know if the function is received or not. So if the written type, for example, double int float has before the function name, that means the function have written type. So function type 1. Function type 1 is a no receive with return. Function type 1 have a written type before the function name and no parameter inside the bracket. Function type 2 is a function receive with return. Function type 2. The function prototype have a written type before the function name and have a parameter inside the bracket.
I will explain function type 3, which is called receive but no return. This type of function receives input but does not return any output to the calling function. It is commonly used to display information or perform an action. Receive means the function accepts values or data from the user or the calling function. No return means the function does not send any value back. The function only uses the input to perform its task. Let me give a simple analogy. Imagine Ain speaks into the microphone. Ain said that her number is 50 to the microphone, but the microphone does not give anything back. It only uses the input to do its job. In the slide, void print number int_num is the function prototype. Print number 50 is the function call, and void print number int_num is the function definition. The part inside the parenthesis is called the parameter. The easiest way to remember this type of function is the function receives a value but it does not return anything. Now, I am going to explain function type 4, which is also known as no receive and no return. This type of function is very simple because it does not take any input and does not return any output. It is usually used to display message or print information. No receive means the function does not receive any input from the user or the calling function. No return means the function does not send any value back. The function only performs a task and then ends. Let me give a simple analogy. Imagine that Hussein visits Hamza's house. Hussein just said that he wants to visit Hamza. Hamza will serve orange juice to Hussein, but Hussein goes home without bringing anything back. In this situation, Hussein does not give anything and Hamza does not give anything back. Hamza only does the task. So, in this slide, void print message is the function prototype. Print message is the function call and void print message is the function definition. The top line is called the function header and the code inside the curly bracket is called the function body. So, the easiest way to remember this type of function is the function only does a task. It receives nothing and return nothing.
We are going to explain more about function
in C++.
Yes. So today, first we want to learn about pass by value. So first let's talk about pass by value. Pass by value means what? It's a pass variable to a function, which is C++ creates a copy of that value, which is of the value inside the function. The original is not changed. So example I will give you, if a salary 3,500 passed to a function, the function adds 1,000 ringgit and the copied value changed and the original value will be
Still the same. Okay, second one is pass by reference. Okay, here the function works with the original variable, not a copy. We use the and symbol for this. So if the value is changed inside the function, so the original value also change. For example, if we pass area by reference, the function can calculate and store the result directly into area. Yes. So pass by reference is useful when we want the function to modify data or return more than one value.
Third one is default arguments. So let's move to default arguments. Default arguments are the values used automatically and even don't provide argument during a function call. Example, if a function call defined as get sum integer a integer b equals to 0. So we pass only the value and the C++ use 0 integer for the second value. And then default arguments makes more function more flexible and reduce more.
Next is
local variables.
Okay, here local variables are variables that exist only inside a function and the function cannot access them. For example, a variable named salary inside main different from a variable named salary inside another function. So, local variables help prevent data conflicts and keep function in constants, which is different from the global variables. Global constants are also declared outside all functions, but their values cannot be changed. For example, constant in max hours equal 5. All functions can use this value, but none can modify it. So, global constants are safe and
Strong. Lastly, static local variables. So lastly, we have static local variables. Static local variable is a more special because they keep their value even their function after ends. So they are initialized only once. So example, a function generates tough numbers, so will keep increasing the number every time it's called. Static local variables are used for counters, IDs, and tracking values. Lastly, we are going to the conclusion. To conclude a function programming in C++ had to write a program organized, efficient, and easy to understand.
by understanding how function handle values and
variables,
we can control data better and write
a cleaner code.
Bye.